I've always had an interest in understanding how people see the world and especially why different people see the world differently. This is also a part of trying to understand how people create meaning in their lives. And I guess sometimes I see patterns that other people don't notice, and that's why I really enjoy working with user testing. I mean, you can say that working with social anthropology is my life goal.
I think there is so much knowledge to gain about how your product fits the market's need and how they can use it just by observing a normal user using your product.
Mostly we use the Think Aloud testing, which is a method where I invite users into the user lab and then watch them and talk to them while they try out the product in question. I observe them doing it and they describe their thoughts as they emerge, and this gives me a good understanding of how the product is being used and how we can improve it.
User testing allows you to answer the why behind the patterns that you're seeing in big data. As a UX designer, this is an enormous help as it allows you to design a solution from a user perspective.
We see that it is better and also much cheaper to find issues with the usability early on in the stages than after the release.
Ideally, you should be testing throughout the entire design process, but realistically, I would say as early as possible. And the reason for that is when you test at an early stage, the insights you gain there at the early stage is going to help you a lot throughout the remaining bit of the design process.
It is really important to think about the users. We have seen the big tech companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, they are driving the user expectations to a new level.
Well, I think I'm actually just really curious about what people think. I often see myself as a detective.
Stop, I'll shoot!
Or a craftsman that try to get behind what people really mean. Like, they might say that the button is too big, but what does that even mean in their context and in their lives?
Usability testing is a really powerful tool because it really helps you understand how the user is interacting with your digital solutions.
Shaping tomorrow's user experiences.